How to download and install Topaz Video AI on Windows 11. So if you want to download and install Topaz Video AI on Windows 11, then what you need to do is simply go with the search, open up a browser and go with the search. Under search, you need to search for download Topaz Video AI and then go with the first option, which is download and install. And here you will have Windows option. Click on Windows. Once you click on it, now the download will start. Simply go with your downloads. And if it says that it is unverified, then you just need to simply go and click on download the unverified file and wait for it to download. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download. So just wait for some minutes. And once it's downloaded, you can simply go with your files. Under files, you can simply go with the downloads option. And here you will have your downloads. Once it's downloaded, you will have that file right here. And after that, once you double click on it, it will start the install process. And you will have the Topaz Video AI on your Windows 11. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.